Hi there. In this video I'm going to take you through the new System Setup Wizard, which is a more efficient and quicker way of setting up your new staff members. So go to Settings, Setup Wizard, System User Setup. And we're just going to follow this in order. So the first field is the name I'm going to log in using. The second field is my password. The third field is so I can assign access to multiple sites for this user. In this example there is only one site, but if your system has more than one site they would appear here. Tick all the ones relevant for this particular user and then click Next. You have access rights in the system that can define different functions. So Manager tends to be the middle level, Power User tends to be the upper level, then Reception or Front of House seems to be the lower level. These can all be defined in another video. I'm going to select Reception. Then the permissions question relates to your till permissions. So you can actually set up on the till, if you've ever set up till buttons, you can assign a permission to it, and that means whoever can see that till button. That's used for if you've got a till being shared by 16-year-olds and then anybody above 18. You might have some items like beer that can only be sold by your staff members who are above 18. So that's what you would use this for. I'm just going to give them standard permissions. Click Next. Then you've got this drop-down box which is used to link your staff member to a resource, whether that's an area or a person. I'm going to leave this blank. And then if you're using tasks, you have task responsibility groups, you can select which group they belong to. I'm going to leave both of these blank because I don't want this member to be attached to a resource, and I'm not assigning them to any task groups. But if you did, just select one in the drop down and tick one of the options. Click Confirm and your user has been created. If you want to go and check on that user, go to Settings, System User Setup, open up top left the users, and there we can find my new user details with the permissions I gave them.